got Jaden hooked up to something. Will it be a bream? Oh, there we go. Got a bream on a hard body. Show us. Oh, on a soft plastic. Oh yeah. Show us. Good on him. I was just thinking about switching to a. Show me your big fish. Yeah, I know. Oh, massive. Nah, nice fish. Yeah. I wasn't recording the hookup. God damn it. This thing's really loose. Just hooked up, guys. This feels like a good fish. Yeah. Out here fishing with Jaden in a little creek. Don't know if it's a bream or a flathead even. Oh, I can't quite see. Yeah, it's a bream. Yeah. Oh, it's got line on it. It's not mine. Oh. Calm down, little dude. Sorry I missed the hookup, but there's the fish. Oh, I hooked his eye. Oh, it's going nuts. Well, there's the fish. I'll get him unhooked and see you guys in a bit. Got this nice bream. It's actually got nice colours there. Yeah, and I got extra hooks with him. That's a bonus. Got two. Yeah, just on that little deep diver. It's probably 30 centimetres.
Yeah, it would be close to that.
Yeah, let him go. His eye's a bit
How you going?
bit sore, but yeah. Let him go.
Hold him there for a bit.
There he goes. Beautiful fish. Let's go catch another one.